If you want to use Pro mode on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then once you open the camera app, then in here we should be able to switch to the Pro mode in here. Here we have the list of different parameters that we can customize. There are also additional parameters if you tap on this button here on the left side, like the contrast, saturation, sharpness, and so on. But let's focus on these main parameters in here. We have the EV, which is the exposure, and this slider lets you adjust the overall brightness of your image. It's a quick way to make your photo look lighter or darker. And this is the only parameter that is fully manual, so if you want to revert any change, you have to manually adjust it. S is the shutter speed, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speed allows you to let in more light, which is good for example for night shots, but it can blur motion. And fast speeds freeze action. You can tap on A to set it back to automatic. ISO controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. So low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and higher ISO helps in low light conditions. But if you have too high ISO, then it can add grain or noise to your photos. This is also one of these parameters that you can set to be automatic by tapping on this A letter. WB is white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature so whites look white and colors look natural. Lower values provide cooler filter, and higher values provide warmer colors or orange-ish filter. F is the focus. AF means that you have set the automatic focus, and in here you just simply set exactly what should be sharp in your photos. You can either focus on objects that are really close to the camera, or you can just focus on everything that is also in the background. And that is pretty much it in the case of parameters. You can also create presets of your parameters. So once you set up your parameters, you can tap over here on this C and number that we have right next to the shutter button. So you can create your own parameters. You can quickly switch between them if you don't want to constantly change between these parameters. We can also have access, we can also find filters in here, so you can easily apply any filter that we have available in there. You can choose the lake style, of course. We can use 50 megapixels if you want to increase the quality of your pictures, and also we can use the RAW format. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.